Iron Dome, where are you? Israel is burning, yeah, this is true.
Iron Dome, you are fake and slow. You bombed Gaza, now you will blow. Muslims are happy